Hi, welcome to my Governor State University online course in Teaching and Learning 7201 final presentation. My name is Tana Ambrose. I'm going to walk you through my course contents and share a little bit about what I learned, what I gained from my peer review and my self-review of this course, and really synthesize everything that we've been learning throughout this entire program into this one course. And as you can see here, my class is called Pathways to Success. And we learn a lot of very important information, but we also have a good time and we make the course content fun. And so it is back to school time, and here we go. Let's do a presentation of Pathways to Success. Pathways to Success, I teach at Lincoln Trail College, is in the southeast corner of Illinois in Robinson, Illinois. It's EDU 1198. We encourage all freshmen to take this course so that our first year students can have an onboarding tutorial in all of the ways that they can be successful in all of their courses while they are at LTC. So let's begin. This is the first module, and it's the landing page in my Canvas program. So Lincoln Trail College uses Canvas as their learning management system. I love Canvas, and I think it's fairly easy for students to use. And I have created a week 1 Start Here module using all of the Quality Matters standards and including all of the pieces that will make it easy for students to navigate and help them to be successful, again, in the first few days, in the first week of this course. My teaching style is a facilitator, so I like to work with the students, engage with the students. I have them read the syllabus right off the bat. I have them take a quiz. There is a course I require them to take. It's an assignment. It's what we call CIS 1104. Do I have what it takes? It's, again, another resource to help students have a strong start and be successful. I have a link to the Canvas student guide. I talk about the student app that they can get on their phone and how to set notifications for these pieces. We also have a program called Entrada. It's our student portal that I have a video here for students to use, as well as Microsoft Office 365. That is free for our students, and we want them to utilize that tool and those programs, that suite. But many of our students aren't used to Microsoft Office 365. We find that many of them come from Google backgrounds, and so there's a tutorial in here for this. And of course, how to contact the help desk should they need a little extra assistance. And so probably the most important piece of this Start Here module is the course overview. What do I want students to know? I want them to know that we begin with the end in mind, that at the end of this semester, I want them to be able to look back at these 12 course outcomes and with confidence be able to say, yes, I can demonstrate an understanding of the expectations to achieve academic success at Illinois Eastern Community Colleges / Lincoln Trail College. This is a 4-college system. We have 4 small community colleges under one umbrella, IECC's umbrella, and go down through the list. And even finally, for the 12th outcome, be able to identify the effects and benefits of diversity and empathy in society. These are all things that we will cover in this course, but I want them right off the bat to begin with the end in mind and to see and to know this is what we're shooting for. These are our goals. And as we move through the semester, we will refer back to these. We will connect all of the assignments and the learning activities and the tools and the ed tech resources to these 12 outcomes. I want students to know that right off the bat. It's important. Also, as we go through the course, I want students to feel confident and know that they will achieve success if they simply scroll down through each of our modules, complete the task, always start with the overview and what the to-do list consists of, and they know that all assignments are due every Sunday night by midnight, and new modules, the next module, opens on the next day on Monday morning. This is a flow, this is a pattern, this is how my students can be successful, is because they know to predict the due dates and what's coming and what's expected, and that they can hopefully establish a good routine, time management, and achieve success. Also, I have gone through, again, the peer review process with this course. Thank you, Katrina. I have taken into consideration all of the feedback that I have gotten from Dr. Peng and Dr. Lee, and then finally did a self survey, a self review using the standards here in Quality Matters. It was extremely helpful, extremely beneficial, and made sure that all of this material is indeed in my course and that it is accessible, and even that all of the links work. I have something in Canvas that's awesome. I can click on a validator link checkpoint, and this is what I did earlier in the week, and I found that some of my other modules outside of my first 3 modules that I'm sharing with you here did have some issues. There were some broken links, and so it's so fantastic that Canvas has a built-in link validator, and I can use that to ensure that all of my links are working, everything is accessible. And again, using that Quality Matters check sheet, checklist, those standards and substandards has really been valuable in ensuring that my class is good to go. So that is the course overview. Thank you for watching and for listening. And finally, I would just like to say my name is Tana Ambrose, and honestly, my favorite thing I get to do at Lincoln Trail College is teach this course. I am the director of the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. I enjoy helping all of our part-time and full-time faculty come on board and go through their orientation and provide resources to them, professional development, and we all are always learning together. But as you might already know, community colleges are oftentimes comprised of about 70 to 75% of adjunct teachers. We have so many teachers at our community colleges who are fantastic subject matter experts in the career fields that they work in, but many of them don't come from a teaching background. They didn't go to school to be teachers. They went to school to be attorneys or finance analysts or other career fields that they chose. Some of them are welders or HVAC systems, massage therapists. We have many people who work for us who are wonderful in the cosmetology background. And so we provide through the CETL resources for these instructors to know how to be great teachers and take all of the information that they have and that they can share with us and put it into a 16-week semester, put it into a learning management system, learn how to do assessment. They honestly make some of the best teachers, and I get to do that every day. And on the side, like I said, my favorite part also is working with our incoming first-year students and to help them be successful, to help them to know the tools and the resources that they have before them, and to know how to access those resources and be successful in every course that they take. I want my students to also know that there are learning outcomes in every class that they take. Make sure that they begin with the end in mind in every class and get used to that and know that they are in a course for a reason. There's a purpose for every class that they take, and they're there to learn, and I want them to be able to reflect back in confidence that they learned exactly what they were supposed to in each one of their classes. I enjoy this program, the online teaching and learning program, the post-baccalaureate certificate at Governor State. Absolutely have enjoyed every class that I've taken. It's been invaluable in the work that I do. It has all come along at the exact right time and been very helpful for me to be even more successful in my role as the director of the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, because we just started the IECC CETL last year. It's only been up and running for a year. So everything I learned in this class, not just for my class that I get to teach to my students, but everything that I'm teaching and helping all of our instructors to do has been just so invaluable. So I appreciate the opportunity I've had to get to know every one of you in this class and to learn and grow together. And so again, my name is Tana. Have a great fall semester. Have a good back to school week, next week and the next week. And I look forward to staying in touch with all of you and networking and collaborating in future educational endeavors. Thank you so much.